What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to guide you on converting your LLC to an S Corp. In this video, we are going to cover essential steps like eligibility, tax election, adopting corporate formalities, and tax reporting adjustments. You can follow these steps to navigate the process smoothly, enjoy tax benefits, and maintain compliance. So, let's start. Verify eligibility. Ensure that your LLC meets the IRS requirements for S Corp taxation. The LLC must be a domestic company, have 100 or fewer shareholders, and have only one class of stock. Shareholders can be individual, certain trusts, and certain estates. Mind the tax election due dates. Tax entity classification elections must be made within a specific time frame. Notify the IRS about your decision to switch no later than 2 months and 15 days after the start of the tax year when you want the election to take effect. Complete and file Form 2553 with the IRS. Submit IRS Form 2553, election by a small business corporation, to formally request S Corp taxation. The form requires company contact information, tax year, and ownership information. All owners must sign the form to consent to the S selection. If your LLC has multiple members, coordinating signatures may require additional effort. Notify your state's taxing authority. Some states automatically recognize the federal S Corp election, while others require a separate state-level election. Check with your state's taxing authority for specific requirements. Adopt corporate formalities. Once your S Corp election is approved, adopt the necessary corporate formalities. This includes holding and documenting annual shareholder and director meetings, maintaining separate financial records, and ensuring proper financial management in line with S Corp requirements. Adjust payroll. As an employee of the S Corp, you'll need to start issuing payroll for yourself, and payroll taxes must be withheld and paid on this salary. Revise tax reporting. Prepare to file your taxes as an S Corp. This includes filing an 1120S tax return and issuing Schedule K-1 forms to all shareholders, reporting their share on the corporate's income or loss. Maintain compliance. Stay compliant with the ongoing S Corp requirements, including yearly filings, maintaining proper records, and adhering to corporate governance practices. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will be well on your way to enjoying the unique tax benefits and corporate structure of an S Corp. Remember to stay compliant with ongoing requirements and don't hesitate to consult a professional if needed. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.